Hello, plastic industry owners and managers. It's for you. What if I told you that you could increase your profits without expanding your factory, buying new machines, or making a major investment? Sounds too good to be true? Here is the secret: a simple, holistic, technical audit of your factory can uncover hidden inefficiencies, optimize processes, and maximum output using your existing setup. Intrigued? Stay with me till the end of this video and I will show you how small yet strategic changes can lead to big financial gains. Let's dive in. Are you leaving money on the table in your plastics factory? What if I told you that a simple technical audit could help you cut costs, improve efficiency, and boost your bottom line, all with minimum investment? Holistic Plastics Factory Technical Audit. Maximize profit with minimum investment. Many factory owners focus only on production numbers, ignoring hidden inefficiencies that drain profits every day. A well executed audit uncovers these leakages, optimizes processes, and turns inefficiency into profitability. Stick with me till the end, and I will break down how a holistic plastics factory technical audit can help you achieve 1. Lower operational cost, 2. Higher productivity, 3. Better product quality, 4. Sustainable long term profit. Let's dive in. Namaskar, I am Amit and let's start our new success video. Identifying cost leakages. Where are you losing money? The first step in a holistic audit is to identify where money is being lost. You might think your factory is running smoothly, but unseen inefficiencies could be cutting into your profits. Key areas of cost leakages: 1. Raw material wastage, excess usage due to poor process control or improper machine settings. Number 2. Higher energy consumption, old or inefficient motors, excessive heating, cooling, or power wastage. Number 3. Machine downtime, frequent breakdowns, lack of preventive maintenance, or slow changeovers. Number 4. Rework and rejections, poor quality leading to high scrap rates and unnecessary reprocessing. Did you know? Studies show that 5 to 15% of a factory's revenue is lost due to inefficiencies like this. A proper technical audit helps you pinpoint and eliminate these hidden costs, leading to immediate and long term savings. Step 2. Optimizing machinery and production processes. Your machines are the backbone of your production, but are they operating at their best efficiency? Even the smallest inefficiencies in machine setting can result in higher energy consumption, more raw material usage, slower production cycles. Through a technical audit, we analyze machine calibration, ensuring every machine operates at optimal parameters, preventive maintenance schedules, reducing breakdowns and increasing uptime, process automation, replacing manual slow process with automated precision based systems. By simply fine tuning machines and production flow, factories have seen efficiency improvements of 10 to 20% without investing in new equipments. Step 3. Cutting down energy costs by 15 to 30%. Energy costs eat into your profits, but most factories waste electricity without realizing it. Though a technical audit, we can reduce your power bills by switching to energy efficient motors and variable frequency drive, using LED lighting and motion sensors to cut unnecessary power usage, heat recovery systems to reuse waste heat and reduce cooling costs. These are low cost, high impact solutions that can bring down energy expenses by 15 to 30% every month. Improving quality control and reducing rework. A high rejection rate in production is a silent killer. Every defective piece costs you money, time, and resources. A technical audit helps you to attain Standardize quality control measures, reducing variability and defects. Train operators to detect and prevent defects early. Optimize material selections using the right resin grades for better durability and performance. Better quality, fewer customer complaints, less rework, and higher profits. Step 5. Workforce efficiency. Getting the most from your team. Even with the best machines, your workforce efficiency determines how productive your factory is. A holistic audit ensures proper workforce allocation, right people in the right roles, employee training programs, teaching best practices to minimize errors, optimized shift scheduling, reducing idle time, and improving production flow. Better workforce management directly translates to increased production output and lower operational costs. Step 6. Implementing a continuous improvement plan. An audit is not just a one time fix, it's a continuous improvement strategy. Once you identify inefficiencies, we create an actionable plan to track and improve key performance indicators every quarter. 1. Cost per unit, lowering the expense of production. Number 2. Energy efficiency metrics, reducing power usage per kg of plastics processed. Number 3. Production cycle time, improving output with better machine utilization. This ensures that your factory is not just running smoothly today but continues to improve year after year. If you are a plastic factory owner or manager, a holistic technical audit is your secret weapon to reduce costs, increase productivity, and maximize profits. Low investment, huge savings. Start making smart decisions today. If you need a customized audit for your factory, drop a comment below or reach out to me. Let's transform your factory into a profit making powerhouse. That's all for today. If you have liked the video, like, subscribe, share, and most important is that bell icon. Press that bell icon for your next video update. Thank you.